What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, the Options Boss. Just sliding up on y'all. Going over the recap of last week, telling you guys what I got in mind for this week to come. Last week, if you watched the video and you followed some of the plays that I mentioned, you probably made a lot of money because I definitely made a lot of money last week, guys. Obviously, we had the Dow Jones hit record highs last week. We had Nasdaq hit record highs at the end of last week as well, and I wouldn't be surprised if the S&P hits record highs this week coming up. So that's just something to keep in mind. Guys, I believe I mentioned Tesla last week. Tesla went crazy. I expect Tesla to continue to go crazy again this week, so watch out for that. Neo, I mentioned last week. Neo ran up, so if you played Neo, you probably made some pretty good money. Square, I mentioned Square last week. If you play Square, you definitely made some good bread off of Square. Baba. Baba ran up a tiny bit and then it pulled back. So that was an iffy one that I called out. I called out Bowen last week. Bowen had a great week. If you guys was in Bowen, you definitely made a lot of money off of Bowen. I mentioned last week my DKNG call. Guys, if you got in DKNG, you're probably feeling pretty good right now. And I think I mentioned a lottery pick last week with Zoom. Zoom ran up. It definitely zoomed. So I'm not really surprised. I was happy with that. I got in on Zoom. I'm actually still in on Zoom. I'm going to carry that. I think I'm up about 20% on it right now, 20 to 30%, something along those lines. And if it runs up more, I might take profit before earnings. They have earnings Monday evening after hours. And if it, goes stagnant for some reason, then I'll run it into earnings. But I might take profit before earnings. I'm not sure. Already up on it a good bit though. Uh, this week, guys, check out some of my plays, see how it goes. Might help you, might not. It's definitely not nothing is 100%. But last week I did pretty good, and I might do it again. I'm looking forward to doing it again. So, guys, if you saw any of the plays last week and you made any money off of it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. If you played any of my plays and they were crappy and it cost you some money or whatever, let me know that as well. Comment down below, tell me that I'm an idiot, whatever, it's all good. But yeah, this week, definitely looking at Jemiah. They ran up a crazy amount this past week, and it pulled back a tiny bit on Friday, but I'm looking forward to take off again on Monday. So definitely get a couple calls on Jemiah if you have the opportunity to. The vaccines, mRNA, Novavax, and VAX, they ran up pretty crazy towards the end of the week. I made some good money off of those. And I may be looking to jump in on those again this week. Um, I especially think Novavax got some room to run, so keep that in mind. Like I mentioned, Zoom has earnings this week, so you definitely could possibly see Zoom run up. I believe the last few times they had earnings, they went crazy, and I don't really see why this time will be any different. And that's part of the reason why I'm thinking about holding my call past earnings. But at the same time, like I tell you guys, I'm not really trying to hit home runs. If I hit a single, if I hit a double, I'm good with that. So we'll see what I do on Zoom. But if you take it into earnings, it's a very good chance that you're going to make a lot of money based off of what they've been doing recently with earnings. Apple. I have a feeling Apple may push up. Coming into the holiday season, the Christmas season, as everybody calls it, and everybody likes Apple. So I wouldn't be surprised if Apple gets pushed up for that particular reason right there. One of the things I'm hearing a lot about is weed stocks. Weed kind of took off the end of last week again. It kind of went stagnant for a little bit, but then it started running again. One of the things I heard was Jay-Z is possibly getting into a weed stock that's going to be based out in California. It's supposed to be super huge. And the weed stocks got some good news coming up this week where somebody's supposed to be doing some voting on that. So with that being the case, you can expect a big weed run this week. And if there is a big weed run, I am already in on CGC. I did make some money off of CGC this past week. Also, ACB. That's another weed stock that you can look at. Last week, my lottery pick was Zoom, and Zoom went crazy. This week, my lottery pick is going to be out the weed sector, and I'm looking at Tilray. TLRY, I believe it is. Tilray. I'm looking for them guys to go crazy this week. And if you hop in on Tilray and you make some money off Tilray, once again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I mean, if Tilray blows up, comment down below. Tell me I'm an idiot. I mean, let me know that I have no clue what I'm talking about. But these videos are all in fun for me. I hope it's, giving you guys something to do, pass a few minutes by, and hopefully make you some money during the week as well. I know I definitely hope that the game plan that I'm giving you guys on the video makes me some money next week. So hopefully it makes us all some money. But it's your boy, the Options Boss. I'ma holler when I holler.